Connect. Hello, sir.
दीपम ज्योति परम ज्योति दीपम ज्योति जनार्दन दीपो हरतु मे पापम दीपम ज्योति नमोस्तुते शुभम करोति कल्याणम आरोग्यम सुख संपद द्वेष बुद्धिर विनाशय आत्मज्योति नमोस्तुते. Light symbolizes victory over darkness and defeats ignorance. It marks the beginning of auspicious moments.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय
A very good morning to everyone. I, Dr. Krishna Pandey, member of Team Apollo CVHF, am greatly honored to stand before you on behalf of Dr. Samir Dani to earnestly express my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to God, who has granted us this opportunity and allowed us to gather here today to witness the effort and achievement that can only be described as dream come true. I take the privilege to warmly welcome our chief guest, Shri Vijay Rupani ji, Honorable Chief Minister. I request Dr. Samir Dani to felicitate Mr. Vijay Rupani with flowers. Dynamic and visionary leader, touching people's life from every field. I welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Pratap Reddy, founder, chairman, Apollo Hospitals Group. I request Dr. Samir Dani to felicitate him with flowers. A cardiologist, a compassionate humanitarian, a philanthropist, awarded with second highest civilian award, Padma Vibhushan, for his pursuit of excellence in healthcare. I welcome Dr. Preeta Reddy, Executive Chairperson, Apollo Hospitals Enterprise Limited. I request Dr. Jagdeep Kaur Dani to felicitate Dr. Preeta Reddy. Okay. I welcome Dr. Rajiv Modi and request Dr. Jagdeep Kaur Dani to felicitate him with flowers. He is the Chairman and Managing Director of Cadila Pharmaceuticals. May I now request Dr. Preeta Reddy to felicitate Honorable CM with draping of shawl. I request Dr. Rajiv Modi to kindly felicitate Dr. Pratap Reddy. I introduce Dr. Sameer Dani, a renowned cardiologist, former professor and chief of Department of Cardiology at UN Mehta Institute, Director, Department of Cardiology, Apollo Hospitals. Kind and compassionate, humble and empathetic, he has been bestowed upon the honor of the Glory of Gujarat by the then governor in 2012. Dr. Dani has also been awarded the prestigious Dr. B.C. Roy Award in 2018. I request him to kindly enlighten us about his new venture.
Good morning. On behalf of Apollo CVHF, I welcome you all. Most of all, our Honorable and beloved Chief Minister, Vijay Rupani, the Chairman, the Visionary of Apollo Group, Dr. P.C. Reddy, an inspiration to lot of doctors, not only of my generation, but many, many generations and many generations to come. Dr. Preeta Reddy, a very able daughter and MD, and she has nurtured the Apollo Hospital Ahmedabad for so well. We all look up to her to solve all the administrative and otherwise problems. And to say not the least, Dr. Rajiv Modi, who has been giving tremendous support and always from behind the screens. He never wants to come to the limelight, but today we have dragged him here. On behalf of Apollo CVHF, I welcome you all. And well, it's indeed, though it's a cliche, I would repeat that sentence that it's a dream come true. What we had envisioned, in fact, when I met Dr. Pratap Reddy and Dr. Indravadan Modi, Rajiv Bhai's father, they floated the idea of having a heart institute and dedicated to cardiovascular care and critical care in the city, and with a difference, with very compassionate care, human touch. And when they agreed to support me, when they, in fact, they encouraged me to do this, I was not initially very confident, but then as time went by, I realized that this is a project which we would not have completed otherwise if Apollo, specifically Dr. Pratap Reddy, Dr. Preeta Reddy, Dr. Rajiv Modi were not there. Unfortunately, Mr. I.A. Modi left in between. He didn't see this completed, but I am sure wherever he is, he would feel very happy. His soul would be very happy. This hospital has, as I said, will combine the clinical efficiency, the protocols, the administrative efficiency of Apollo and us doctors working, taking ownership of the project dedicatedly, lending a human touch to all our care. This will be a center of excellence, as the dream is, and I don't want to say much about it, and I don't want to hold you back. I would rather wish that we get on with the program and you all have a chance to look at this hospital and give your suggestions as well. Thank you.
I request Dr. Rajiv Modi to kindly share a few words.
આપણા મહાન દેશ અને એમાં પણ આપણા રાજ્ય ગુજરાતના લાડલા મુખ્યમંત્રી શ્રી વિજયજી રૂપાણીજી, નમસ્કાર. ડૉક્ટર માય અંકલ Dr. Pratap Reddy, most welcome. My sister in real life and my mentor and friend, Dr. Preeta Reddy. My friend Sameer, welcome to all. Auntie, welcome to all of you. It's a wonderful occasion here, and as Gujarat and our country progresses and develops, Chief Minister Sir, we are humbly happy to participate in the development and growth story led by you in Gujarat by dedicating this wonderful venture of specializing healthcare through heart care. And we are so honored that in spite of your very, very tight schedule, you have honored us for your significant presence this morning. Thank you, sir. The story of Cadila and Apollo dates back over 15 years when Preeta's younger sister made a quick call to me and talked about sharing the asset of Apollo in Gujarat. I was very excited because this was a childhood dream of Indravardhan Bhai, my father. She's very auspicious, so she came at a particular day, particular time, at a particular second, Preeta. And in about 15-20 minutes, we shook hands and took her to Papaji, and that's how the story started. The rest is history. I tell Vijay Bhai that, which I told you also, but for all of us who are a close audience here, ever since that time, Sunita ji disappeared and made another call and said, my older sister really looks after this, and I'm so shocked, I don't know these people, and I don't know how to speak South Indian, and I didn't know whether English was a language to talk to. But anyway, we met at the Guruvayur temple, the only temple outside Guruvayur in the Apollo campus, dedicated by auntie and uncle, and that's when I met them all, and they are family. So I'm so happy that uncle has come here also. Thank you, uncle. Your visit here yesterday and today inspired all of us. Your humble beginning and the way you have taken the institution of Apollo is admirable. So my love goes out to you. Thank you very much. Vijay Bhai, આપણા રાજ્યમાં આવી સંસ્થા અને એ પણ હાર્ટ દિલ માટે પહેલી સંસ્થા છે. સમીર સરસ કાર્ડિયોલોજિસ્ટ છે, સ્ટેજ ઉપરથી હું કહું છું, મારો મિત્ર છે, પણ એના ધગસથી જે એને આ સરસ સંસ્થા કરી છે અમદાવાદના લોકો માટે અને ગુજરાતના લોકો માટે, એ આપના થ્રુ આવાથી આજે અર્પણ થાય એ એમાં અમને ઘણો જ ઘણો આનંદ છે. ધન્યવાદ.
May I request Dr. Preeta Reddy to say a few words?
Namaste, our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Vijay Rupani ji, our Chairman, my father, my mentor, Dr. Pratap Reddy, Rajiv Bhai, and the star of today, Dr. Sameer Dani, and our honorable guests. It is for all of us a dream come true. And I'm saying that because 35 years ago when the Apollo Hospital in Chennai started, it was our chairman's dream to provide the best possible care to our countrymen. And it started with a focus on cardiology and has moved on. The dream has moved to encompass many aspects of healthcare. Wherever possible, we try to touch 1 million lives on a daily basis. But this for us in Gujarat, the Heart Center, which is of course Dr. Dani's baby, but all of us have adopted it as our child now, because he's put so much of effort, thought into this beautiful entity, and I think it's just the beginning of a lot of cardiac care which we will bring to this region. It's a commitment from the Apollo Group and executed by the team in Gujarat, and with our very affectionate and dynamic partner Rajiv Bhai. I think we are committed to doing a lot in this state, not only in the area of heart care but in oncology and more than anything else in preventive health care. I feel honored to be here with all of you and will reinforce the commitment of Apollo Group to touch lives, to keep people healthy, and wherever they need an intervention to provide world-class and the best possible health care to people of our country. thank you all, and I hope this is a beginning of many such wonderful partnerships and milestones. Thank you.
I request Dr. Pratap Reddy, Founder Chairman Apollo Hospitals, to share a few words of blessings.
Namaskar. Our very dear Chief Minister of Gujarat, J. Mani, it's been a great pleasure for us to have you here on an election day. That shows your intention of two things: your love for Dr. Samani and the love for bringing better care for Gujarat. I admire you, sir, and I give my hearty good wishes. This is our first individual cardiac hospital with the state-of-the-art facilities in the entire group. And for that, we would have only one man to come in to bring this, is Dr. Samit Damani. He is an outstanding cardiologist, and this hospital is equipped with today's state-of-the-art, like you can find anywhere else in the world, one of the finest heart hospitals in the world. I'm also thankful because this decision was taken by Rajesh's father and myself 6 years ago, and today the dream is clear. I'm very happy that we are bringing to this city the cardiac center, because we all know the cardiology is the largest killer in the many diseases that the country and the world is facing. The other day, some of you must have read, a 15-year-old went to the exam and dropped dead. And it was an acute myocardial infarction. A few weeks before that, a couple got married. The bride, after the thali was done, the priest said, go and see that lucky star. And the bride never got up, and it was an acute MI. So that's how the serious cardiac conditions are coming. This is all part of what we call non-communicable diseases, and these non-communicable diseases is going to play a devastating role. I call this a tsunami in medicine, and I'm happy that the Government of India, under the leadership of Sri Modi ji, has taken very bold steps to revamp the entire healthcare system by providing insurance for a large proportion of our people, and more importantly, 100,000 plus wellness and checkup centers if you detect the diabetes, heart, strokes, cancer and infections, all are curable. But if you don't do it, according to the World Economic Forum, by end of this decade, 2030, 80% of the deaths will be from these four diseases, and the cost burden is going to be $30 trillion, and for India it's going to be $4.8 trillion. It's going to be 50% of the GDP. So I think it's very, very wonderful that the concept has been taken over. We have done over 20 million checkups so far, but our plans are now to do 200 million checkups to save people from this disastrous condition called the NCDs. I am again thankful for our Honorable Prime Minister and his team to have brought this new scheme in healthcare, and also have had over 100,000 detectable centers. When the disease comes, we have Dr. Damani here in Gujarat. He will give the very best. But what we want to do is, we want to detect early, get advice from him saying that it doesn't end up in an attack, and certainly it should not kill people at the ages of 10 and 30. At Apollo we have done one which I want all of you to follow. We have 75,000 Apollo family members and 200,000 their dependents put together. For all 200,000 of them, we got a 3-year program. First year they all have a checkup, and the treatment starts, and the health council advisors and other team members will keep following them. So by the 3rd year they will become normal. They won't get heart attack unduly early. They won't die of cancer in stage 3 and stage 4. They won't get strokes at 30. So this will be prevented by doing that scheme. At the end of 3 years, I told them I want to give a cake to each and every one of those families to celebrate their wellness and happiness. Will you all do it? Please, all of you must take a vow saying, I will look after my health, I look after my health, family's health, and I look after my friends and all those people who are dependent upon you. This is how we can change the country. Otherwise, the country is going to be facing a huge problem with NCDs. I'm very grateful for our Honorable Chief Minister to be here. I know there are many progressive healthcare institutions that he has established in this state, and I'm sure with his blessings, this individual cardiac hospital will make a significant impact in preventing heart problems for people. This is our third project and 70th hospital of Apollo. First, we inaugurated the first proton hospital for this part of the world. Even England doesn't have a proton. First proton hospital costing 1400 crores was established in India, which will serve more than 160 countries. Number two, second hospital we started 2 months ago in Lucknow, and I'm happy I'm here today to celebrate this wonderful inauguration of the cardiac hospital, the first super special cardiac hospital of Apollo Group is here, and I congratulate Dr. Samir Damani for pushing ahead and getting this center to this level, and truly grateful to Rajiv for all the cooperation that he has given to be where we are today. And I must end by just saying thank you, sir, the Honorable Chief Minister. But for your busy day, you have agreed to come and bless this occasion. I'm sure this will go a long way. Thank you all.
I invite Shri Vijay Rupani ji to say a few words.
मंच पर उपस्थित एपोलो हॉस्पिटल ग्रुपना फाउंडर અને ચેરમેન આદરણીય શ્રી પ્રતાપ રેડ્ડીજી, કેડિલા ફાર્માના ચેરમેન ડૉક્ટર રાજીવ મોદીજી, CVHFના ડાયરેક્ટર डॉक्टर समीर दाणी, डॉक्टर प्रीता रेड्डी जी, भाइयों ने बहनों, सौप्रथम राज्य सरकार वती आज एपोलो CVHF हार्ट इंस्टिट्यूटना उद्घाटन प्रसंगे सरकार वती खूब खूब शुभकामनाओं अने शुभेच्छाओं पाठवुं छुं। एक समय एवो हतो के देश में कोईने हार्ट सर्जरी करावी होय तो चेन्नई एपोलो में जवुं पड़े अने पेशंट ने एपोलो चेन्नई में एपॉइंटमेंट मळे तो 50% राहत थी जाती थी अने एक संस्था त्यां ज हार्टना ऑपरेशन थता हता अने आजे एज एपोलो अमदावाद में सामेथी आवी छे। आजे 71मो एमनुं साहस अने एनुं आपणे लोकार्पण शुरू कर्યું છે ને આવતીકાલથી હોસ્પિટલ કાર્યરત પણ થવાની છે। સ્વાભાવિક છે કે ગુજરાતના ડેવલપમેન્ટ વિકાસ જ્યારથી 2001થી નરેન્દ્રભાઈ મુખ્યમંત્રી હતા ત્યારથી એમના વિઝનને કારણે આજે ગુજરાત દરેક ક્ષેત્રમાં વિકાસની હરણફાળ ભળી રહી છે અને એમાં ખાસ કરીને મેડિકલ અને હેલ્થકેર એમાં આજે ગુજરાત ખૂબ આગળ વધ્યું છે. મેડિકલ ટુરિઝમ એ કન્સેપ્ટને પણ આપણે આગળ વધારી રહ્યા છીએ. સરકારની અલગ અલગ પોલિસીમાં હેલ્થકેર પોલિસી અને હોસ્પિટલો માટે પણ સુપર સ્પેશિયાલિસ્ટ હોસ્પિટલો એ વધુને વધુ વધે એટલા માટે પણ સરકારે અલગ અલગ પોલિસી બનાવી છે અને જે અંતર્ગત ગુજરાતના છેવાડાના એરિયા સુધી સુપર સ્પેશિયાલિસ્ટ હોસ્પિટલો ડેવલપ થાય એ માટે પણ સરકાર કાર્યરત છે. હમણાં જે રીતે વાત કરી ડૉક્ટર પ્રતાપ રેડ્ડીજીએ કે નરેન્દ્રભાઈએ આવનારા દિવસોમાં લોકોના સ્ટ્રેસફુલ લાઈફમાં ડાયાબિટીસથી માંડીને હાર્ટ કેન્સર અને એ બધા માટે ધ્યાનમાં રાખીને મોટા પાયા ઉપર અલગ અલગ હેલ્થકેર સેન્ટરો અને ત્યાં આગળ જ પ્રિવેન્શનની બધી વ્યવસ્થા બને, લોકોનું આરોગ્ય જળવાઈ રહે, સાથે સાથે આયુષ્યમાન ભારતની આરોગ્યનું કવચ, સુરક્ષા કવચ પણ લોકોને મળે. મેં હમણાં સમીરભાઈને પૂછ્યું, એપોલોમાં તો ડૉક્ટર પ્રીતાબેને કીધું 1600 બેડ આ આયુષ્યમાન ભારત અમૃતમ વાત્સલ્ય ગરીબ પેશન્ટ માટે પણ જેનું સંપૂર્ણ ખર્ચ સરકાર ભોગવે છે એની વ્યવસ્થા કરી છે. અહીંયા પણ આ જ વ્યવસ્થા ચાલુ રહેવાની છે અને સામાન્ય માણસોને પણ પરવડે અને ઝડપથી સારવાર થાય એ માટે વ્યવસ્થાઓ કરી છે. અમદાવાદ અનેક હોસ્પિટલ નવી નવી બનતી જાય છે. હમણાં રાજીવભાઈ મોદી સાથે વાત કરતો હતો, નવા નવા રોગ પણ વધતા જાય છે અને એટલે કહેવાય છે ને કે બની યોજના એ जितनी उतनी बीमारी बढ़ती जाती है. रोज रोज नवी दवाएं निकली उतनी भी बीमारी बढ़ती जाती है અને એના સંદર્ભમાં પડકારોને ઝીલતા ઝીલતા એ બધાને પહોંચી વળવા આપણે સૌએ સાથે મળીને લોકોનું આરોગ્ય એને ફર્સ્ટ પ્રાયોરિટી આપીને તંદુરસ્તી તો જ બાકી બધી વસ્તુ શક્ય બને અને એ દિશામાં સરકાર ખૂબ ગંભીરતાપૂર્વક આ વિષયને લઈને ગુજરાતમાં અનેકવિધ યોજનાઓ, અનેક હોસ્પિટલો, છેલ્લે 2 હોસ્પિટલ વડાપ્રધાને ઇનોગ્રેશન કર્યા. એક SGVP એટલે અમદાવાદ મ્યુનિસિપલ કોર્પોરેશને જે બહુ સરસ મોટી હોસ્પિટલ VSમાં બનાવી છે અને એવી જ રીતે સિવિલમાં હવે મેડિસિટી 1200 બેડ તો બાળકો અને સુપર સ્પેશિયાલિસ્ટો મહિલાઓ માટે આપણે કર્યા, પણ ટોટલ સંપૂર્ણ એશિયાની મોટામાં મોટી હોસ્પિટલ એટલે આખી મેડિસિટી આપણે ડેવલપ કરી રહ્યા છીએ અને ગુજરાતના લોકો નહીં પણ બહારથી પણ લોકો અહીંયા ટ્રીટમેન્ટ માટે આવે એ પ્રકારની વ્યવસ્થાઓ આગળ વધારી રહ્યા છીએ. પુનઃ ડૉક્ટર સમીરભાઈ, ડૉક્ટર પ્રીતાબેન, ડૉક્ટર રાજીવ મોદીજી બધાને ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન અને શુભકામનાઓ આપું છું.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my duty to give you a word of thanks. An organization is built by a team, and I am fortunate to have a dynamic and young team and the support of the largest healthcare provider in India and Asia, Apollo Group. On behalf of my organization and Dr. Sameer Dani, I wish to convey our gratitude and thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Vijay Rupani Sahib for sparing his valuable time. Special thanks to our respected Chairman Dr. Pratap Reddy, Madam Pratap Reddy and Dr. Rajiv Modi for doing the honors. I will be failing in my duty if I do not recognize the effort of the team who have made this function a great success. And on behalf of Dr. Sameer Dani, I wish to thank all the team members of Apollo CVHF, the doctors and all the staff. Finally, my gratitude to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, for coming and blessing our function and making this occasion a very, very happy success. Thank you.